Did you know that AI automation could potentially eliminate a staggering 800 million jobs by 2030? Today, we'll delve into the 10 industries that AI will likely affect first. Get ready as we uncover the professions that may be on the verge of extinction. Starting at number 10, graphic designers face challenges. AI-powered design tools like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion generate high-quality designs in seconds. They analyze trends, styles, and user preferences to create stunning graphics. However, as AI becomes better at understanding aesthetics and interpreting creative briefs, human graphic designers may find themselves competing with machines. Can human creativity withstand the relentless onslaught of AI-driven design tools? Moving on to number 9, translators and interpreters. Translators and interpreters are impacted by AI-powered solutions like ChatGPT. These tools provide highly accurate real-time translations, breaking down language barriers. While specialized or sensitive translations still require human expertise, general translation services may decline. Translators must adapt to remain relevant in a world where AI can effortlessly communicate in any language. Let's discuss number 8, manufacturing and assembly line jobs. AI-powered robots are rapidly replacing human workers on the production floor. These robots operate tirelessly, ensuring consistent output and reducing errors. However, millions of workers in the manufacturing sector face an uncertain future as their skills become outdated. The challenge lies in finding new opportunities for these workers and equipping them with the necessary skills to adapt and thrive. Next up, at number 7, data entry and data processing professionals face challenges. AI algorithms and tools streamline data analysis and processing tasks, raising concerns about the future of these roles. Workers in this field must find new ways to adapt their skills and remain competitive in a fast-changing job market. Number 6, basic accountants and bookkeepers must embrace AI-driven tools to stay relevant. AI algorithms enhance financial management and reduce the risk of human error. While their expertise remains valuable, basic accountants and bookkeepers need to learn new skills to complement AI-driven tools. Now, let's focus on number 5, customer service and support. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants handle a growing number of inquiries, raising concerns about the future of human customer service agents. Support representatives must search for new career paths or ways to adapt their skills in an AI-driven world. Number 4 is proofreaders and copy editors. AI algorithms can detect errors and enhance text readability in real time, challenging the role of human proofreaders and copy editors. Professionals in this field must embrace AI-driven tools and use them to enhance their editing skills. If you have made it this far, please leave us a short comment down below and hit the like button in appreciation. Moving on to number 3, market research analysts are affected by AI-driven data analytics tools. These tools provide valuable insights, potentially reducing the need for traditional market research analysts. Analysts must adapt their skills to maintain a competitive edge in a data-driven world. Now, let's discuss number 2, legal assistants. Advanced AI algorithms can perform tasks traditionally done by legal assistants, streamlining the legal process. Legal assistants must embrace AI technology and develop specialized skills to remain relevant. Last but not least is number 1. Financial planners and tax preparers face challenges as AI-powered tools provide personalized advice and automate tax-related tasks. Professionals in these fields must differentiate themselves by offering specialized services. They can embrace a hybrid approach that combines AI's efficiency with human expertise. To sum up, as we explore the industries that AI might impact first, it's crucial to remember that the rise of AI doesn't mean the end of human ingenuity and creativity. Instead, it presents an opportunity for adaptation, growth, and thriving alongside technological advancements. Embracing these changes, learning new skills, and harnessing the potential of AI can elevate one's career in this rapidly changing world. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to us. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Take care.